So this is my NGP, and I was going to do this live tonight, but video quality on the show isn't always that great, so I'm going to do it right now. I am going to re-rick. This is a Genesis style tanking system, rebuildable. So I'm going to see how close I can get. Alright. So here's the mesh it comes with. Yeah, not pre-carboned or whatever. And I gotta not move so much. And the wire, I don't know what gauge it is, because of course I got this thing in Hungary, but it looks like 020. So earlier today I rolled a piece of this up, and it's very easy to roll up, by the way. And I don't have a torch, so it took me a long time to get it burnt. You can buy these already pre-done, already rolled up and burnt and all that good stuff. So basically, you just take a piece of it, you roll it up. A lot of people do this little thing on the end where they make it, just a little bit, I don't know, diagonal, whatever the fuck the word is, jibba. Anyway, so the hard part, I guess, is going to be getting the wires on this thing. So I'm going to take it apart. I need a bigger screwdriver. See, this is the one I was using for the Phoenix, and I'm just going to show you the Phoenix real quick, just to show you the difference together. See what I was dealing with the Phoenix? It's the Phoenix. Yeah. So, head and shoulders above the Phoenix as far as workability. Good Lord. Okay. Freedom! Can you see that? No, nobody can see it. Anyway, oh. There it is. Alright. I'm going to test to see if my little thing is even going to fit in this hole. And it is. Look at that. So it's going to be a lot taller than you need it to begin with. You see that? You can cut it later. So, now the tough part. How did this not work? I don't know. Let me straighten this out. So you're going to put it on the short one first. Back this off. Alright. Oh, great! Nice. The screw came off. So far, so good, right? Why don't I just take that out of there? That out of my way. Alright. There. This stuff there. Okay, now I've got one end on, and the friggin' sun in my eyes now. Alright. So this should be a simple thing, right? You see what I'm doing now? Okay, so I got one end on. I'm going to put my wick, all gooey, in the hole. Here. Alright, pushed it down to the bottom. So now you're going to wrap. See if you can see what I'm doing. And I'm going to clip this off when I'm done, when I know that this actually works. Now this is pre-primed, so let's see if we got her ready. And some fire going on. Yep. Total non-success. Yep, that didn't work. So what's wrong? What have I done wrong? Wait. Maybe there's just nothing to burn. Nope. Okay, so I'm thinking it's shorted out. So, yeah. See how easy that came out? Wasn't even... So I don't really like these screws much. I think maybe I'm pulling it too tight. So I'm just gonna put that. That. Get rid of the end. There. Okay. Take it down. That's tight. Okay. One more time. Once more with feeling. Alright. So I'm just going to go easy. See if I can... Do-do-do. Okay. So... Seems like it just doesn't want to be straight. So I'm going to put that down in there. Cut. This is not even close to being pretty. Okay. Make sure that's tight. You probably can't see this very well, but okay. And tight. Little tiny piece there. I'm gonna try cutting this instead of wiggling it, because that's just a pain in the fucking ass. There. Okay. Where am I? See that? Get a little closer. Okay, it's just a little bit bent, but I don't think anything is touching where it shouldn't be. A little bit of a wiggle. You gotta be careful not to pull these wires too tight, because this thing is just sitting in here. Ready for the battery. Let's see if we get her this time. God, you wouldn't believe how much I'm sweating. Because this was working good before I pulled it apart. There. Ready? Here's the bit of the fire. But yeah. I think we got success there, people. Ha! Okay. So now we're just going to cut the wick off. Just above the top screw. And then I'm going to straighten out the hole ream it. And there you have it. Still getting some fire, but that's because I don't have any juice. But where is my juice? Here it is. Just put a little right in there. There you go. Success.